honeys, and welcome to today's video. So of late I've been dealing with so much scalp or product buildup on my scalp, and I know that my scalp has not been breathing it. Like, it doesn't feel the same. I don't know how to explain it. Like, it feels clogged, like when your skin is clogged. That's what my scalp feels like. It doesn't feel good. So today I'm just going to be showing you how to use Bentonite clay to clarify and remove all the toxins, all the buildup from your hair. Basically, this does a lot. Also, it's known to clump your curls together, make your hair look more defined. What else? It has antimicrobial properties, it enhances shine, and it clumps your curls, and it promotes healthy growth. I know that everybody's here for healthy growth, but basically I'm using it because I have so much product buildup, but it does other things too. Basically, I'm going to be mixing it with apple cider vinegar and aloe vera juice. This is like necessary. I just want to do it because it's going to be much more moisturizing than, you know, I'm using it alone because it's quite dry, because it's going to strip everything from your hair, including the moisture on your hair, and I'm not about to do that. So I'm going to be using the Azek Secret Indian Healing Clay, world's most powerful facial deep pore cleansing, 100% natural calcium bentonite clay. This is one of the best clays, like, period. So I've used it before. I did maximum hydration method and I used this. So I'm just going to be eyeballing. Basically, I'm not measuring. I'm just going to like pour what I feel like will be enough for. Oh, that looks like it's much. Looks like I poured so much. Okay. So I'm still going to add liquid. So I'm just going to be using. You can't even see it. Like, it's so great. You can see it. I just saw it. So it's just so great in the bowl. Yes, that's what I'm going to be using. So basically my light just went off. Like, they took the lights, but that's not going to stop me from doing this hair. I'm going to keep on. So I hope you can still see me, because this is me without the lights, man. Without lights, man. So I'm going to drop this here. I'm also going to apply the bentonite clay to it now. I think you can see the clay much more. Yes, you can. I'm also going to be eyeballing this. Basically, you can just keep on adding until you get a smooth like texture of like a yogurt. Yeah, that's what is recommended. So I'm just gonna apply this. It actually gives a foaming kind of feel. I don't know if you can see it. It forms up nicely together though. It's forming out. I'm going to be adding water. I'm just going to mix this up first to see how thick or how unthick it is. I don't think this will be enough for my head, but let me add the water. So I'm going to be adding water. It's quite liquidy. It's liquidy. It's still liquidy. This is not what I'm looking for. But before that, I'm just going to add a little bit of the aloe vera juice. You can also add oils if you like oils. I'm not really big on oils, but I'm going to add more clay to this mixture. Okay, so I tried my best. It's not so clump free, but it's thick, like a yogurt, but not too thick, but like yogurt too thick. So basically, I'm going to show you what we're going to be working with. Ooh. Basically, I did my hair like this when I was bored yesterday. I was like, okay, I'm going to wash my hair today anyway, so let me just like get over with the section of my hair, because my hairstyle was ruined. I did a twister. I'm tired of talking about that. I'm tired of talking about that hairstyles in my video anyway. So you're also going to need water. Your hair needs to be at least damp or wet for you to do this. You get me? Damp or wet. So I don't know, I feel like I look different without my lights. So water. Make sure you saturate your hair with water. So this is going to be held together. So I'm going to be using my hand. Like you can see around the top already, like how my hair is looking like. Wow. You can see already, I'm not even wasting time to show you my curls, but it's already curling up, so you know it's good. Don't forget your water. I'm gonna apply it on my hair. I'm gonna be right back. I'm not applying the clay to my hair. As you can see, my curls are defined. I don't know why I'm focusing on my curls. Wait, let's focus on the curls. Yes, this is how my curls are looking like. They're not bad, but I have some clay on my face. I can see clay on my face, and I'm not leaving. Okay. So basically, this is my hair. I don't know how it looks like at the back, but I hope it looks pretty, or it should be defined. My scalp feels a little bit better. Like my scalp feels better than the way I it was feeling before I applied this stuff on my hair. So I'm going to leave it for 30 minutes to an hour. I'm just going to be doing stuff. I'm going to come back when it is dry. Basically 30 minutes have gone by. I was just pressing my phone, being on YouTube and whatnot. And this is how my hair is looking now. I have this space in the middle of my hair. I really don't understand, but this is it. Let me turn back so you see my hair. Does the back look good though? So basically I'm done. Yes, I'm done. Basically, I'm just going to wash it out. So guys, I'm done rinsing my hair, and I really washed my hair for a really long time, and the clay, some of them are still in my hair, or some of it might still be left in my hair. Basically my hair is coilier, is much more clumped, as you can see, but the top is kind of, this upper part is kind of frizzy. Yes, but it's still coily and defined. I don't know how does my back, I like to think about how my back looks like, because I like to know how back of my hair looks like too. Basically I'm just going to apply deep conditioner. I'm going to be using, let me look for the one I'm going to be using today. I'm going to be using this deep conditioner, Cocoa Repair. I've never used it before. It's by Aunt Jackie's. I tried their gel from this line and I like this, so I got deep conditioner. It seems pretty thick right off the top, so now I can get my clips. So basically I'm still seeing some little tiny itty bitty clay on my hair. But basically I know that when I wash my hair from applying the conditioner, it will be better. So I'm not going to be applying this to my hair. Cocoa Repair. It feels so smooth and creamy on my hand. This is not a review though, but it just feels so smooth. So I'm just quickly going to apply this on my hair, and I'll be right back. Basically guys, I'm done applying the deep conditioner on my hair. I'm just going to take this and cover my hair and let it sit for 31 hours. I think I'm going to end this video at this point. So I hope you learned how to curl your hair and use bentonite clay to move your build up, curl your hair, define your hair, and also nourish your hair with my antimicrobial properties. So basically I'm going to leave this on. So as you guys know, they took the lights while I was shooting this video, so there's no light for me to use my heat caps. I'm going to be improvising today, and I'm going to leave this on for like an hour, 30 minutes, just do all that stuff basically. And it's a very thick towel, so I'm gonna just basically see you all in my next video. So hope you have a very lovely day. Today is Saturday here, so I'm gonna see you all in my next video. Bye.